Hello kids, welcome to part 2 of the Italian storytelling session. So first part was Italian storytelling session and this art and craft session where we are going to learn about fortune, vocabulary, teller. Yes. But before that, I want to say I have brought in my books, as I said, storybooks, and it's now on Amazon Kindle. For 1 week, it's free. I'll provide you the link both on the story part 1 and part 2. So do quickly click the link and download your free copy, read the stories, and leave your precious view and put the stars that you love to. There are 5 stars, whatever you love, just click that, touch that. So we'll begin after this dangerous falcon feather story. Feathers, you need to see the story. I'm here with art and craft. So for what? For that, it's very simple. You just have to take an A4 size paper. So what you have to do, you have to take an A4 size paper, okay? Now if you don't have an A4 size paper, if you have something of this wide, so what you are going to do, you have to fold this and cut out the extra part. Or you can take a chart paper also. So a paper, either it's A4 size or exactly it should have the same shape, a square. If it's 4, 4, 4, 4, okay, 4 inches, 4 inches, 4 inches. So it should be equal all over. Now what you have to do, fold it like a triangle, like a sandwich, make a sandwich, okay, from one side. Now open and take the other portion also. Now you will have a middle part, see. So now we have to fold all the portion and bring it to the middle part like this. Fold it. Again this portion, fold it. Bring this portion, fold it. And you'll again get a square and you'll get something like this, okay. Now turn it, there is nothing here. Again here is a middle part, this is a portion C, so this is a portion, middle part, middle point, again fold it in like that. And you will get something like this again. And here you will get like this, square flips, square flips. Now to make it easy, fold it like this, see, and open it. Open, you have to put your fingers here, 2 fingers from here, a thumb and a finger just beside it, and here also these 2. Origami, fortune teller, future teller. So now what you have to do, just paint this portion, the colors that you want, and you will get something like this. See, I have made, okay. And then first you have to play color man, color man. Now you may be thinking how we are going to learn vocabulary from this, because generally what happens when you play this, you put numbers here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then here something or the other is written and it tells that in future what you are going to become. So someone writes like chef, doctor, engineer, teacher, whatever you want, and then you start playing with your friends like this. Color man, which color do you want to choose? And that person chose the green color, and whatever number he has to or she has to choose, and there is what he wants to become. So what here we are going to do, it's a twist and something new. I have picked up some words from the story. So I think so the difficult word, the difficult vocabulary I found for you was griffin. No one knows what's griffin. So take a pen. You can take a green pen, okay, a green pen, and write on this portion, write griffin, where we write 1, 2, 3, 4. Griffin. See, I have written griffin. Now what is griffin? So exact under griffin, we are going to write the word meaning. So what's a griffin? A griffin is an ancient Greek animal, head of and its head is of an eagle, body of a lion. So write it here, and you can put some other colors also. You can put stickers also, so that the game become interesting and creative. Next word it is forage. So what's forage? First write the word forage here. Forage. And under that write the meaning. So I have written the meaning before. So what's a forage? Forage is bunch of dry hay and fodder for animals. So in this way only, just go on writing the word, the difficult words that you find come across, or you feel you don't know the meaning, and we should learn, we should remember some difficult words and vocabulary. So write the word here, and under that write the meaning, the word and the meaning, and then play. Sit with your friends. You can do this in classroom also with your friends, and tell your teachers that in lockdown you have done this. You have came out with a game where you got to learn new vocabulary. Your teachers would be happy, your mummy papa would be happy, and your friends will love to play and learn. So color man, which color do you want to choose? So I'll choose yellow color. So like this, the person will choose the yellow color. Okay. So now in yellow color you will ask. So you'll tell that in yellow color there is word. So which word he doesn't want to choose? So he'll say griffin, or he'll say forage. So in this way you learn the word also. Now you'll ask, okay, you have chosen this word forage. Now tell me the meaning. So the meaning can be right, the meaning can be wrong. If your friend or anyone says right meaning, very good, clap. Still, if he or she is wrong, please don't laugh on them, because you people are good at making fun of others. Don't laugh, tell them the meaning, and it's okay to be wrong. Keep learning. So he'll say, I have chosen forage. So ask him the meaning, or tell him bunch of dry hay and fodder for animals. You may choose, some may choose griffin. So you will tell ancient Greek animal, head of an eagle and body of a lion. And in this way you can learn different words like envy. Envy, what does envy means? Envy means jealous. Enchanted, what does enchanted means? Had magical spells. So enchanted, magical spells. Here would be the meaning, magical spells. Lagoon, what is a lagoon? Italy is on lagoon. So a shallow body of water. Deceitful, to be dishonest. Reed, R-E-E-D, read, not R-E-A-D, read. Here you can learn spellings also. So R-E-E-D, read, R-E-E-D, read is tall green tree. So write the words here. So bye for now. Play the game and listen to the story, The Italian Tale. And do go to Amazon and download the book. Read free. Bye.